So, laminotomy is a procedure where the physician is going to remove the affected lamina. So, that is a laminotomy. A laminotomy also qualifies as a hemilaminectomy. When the physician is going to remove the entire affected laminar arch, it becomes a laminectomy. Foraminotomy is basically a decompression procedure to relieve the pressure on the affected nerve roots. Imagine the patient has spinal arthritis or spondylosis. In such conditions, these bone spurs might go and affect the nerve roots that exit the spinal canal. So the procedure to decompress the nerves from such pressure effects is termed as a foraminotomy. Laminoplasty is again repair of the lamina with any bony grafty materials. Next, discectomy is a procedure to remove the entire disc in total or the affected disc. So we have specific discectomy procedure codes separately. Please correlate with the musculoskeletal chapter so that we sometimes have to assign codes both from the nervous system and the musculoskeletal together based on the surgery that is being performed.